In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to use Warpcast Extension and what you can use it for. To install it, simply visit the Chrome Web Store and look for Warpcast, and you'll find the extension. You can easily create your Warpcast account by signing in with your Google account. This seamless process allows you to quickly get started without the need to remember another set of login credentials. Connect your account directly with Warpcast to enjoy all its features and stay updated with the latest social interactions on the platform. While browsing, you can comment on URLs directly within the Warpcast extension. This feature allows you to start a discussion or add your insights to any web page you're visiting. Your comments can initiate threads, enabling you and other users to engage in meaningful conversations about the content. If the URL you are visiting has already been commented on, the Warpcast logo will light up. This interactive feature lets you know there's an ongoing discussion you can join. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.